really have had very few problems with any of my renters. Most of the people you run into are super friendly. They're more than willing to help. It's kind of like a community, and your group of renters are all kind of part of that community where they don't want to break your stuff. They don't want to mistreat your things. They take care of it. They have taken care of it. I had a brand new unit. I think that if I would go sell it tomorrow, somebody would look at this and go, yeah, it's a brand new unit. I mean, it's well taken care of. I know it's been to Gatlinburg, Tennessee. I know it's been to the Black Hills. It's been to Wisconsin. The last 2 years, I've had a guy take it to Country Fest in Canal Fulton. Most of them are just families looking to have a good vacation that's really, truly very affordable. The nice thing about RVshare is if you say, I'm going on family vacation the first week in June, you can mark your camper as unavailable for the first week of June. And that gives you the flexibility to not only continue to earn money, but make sure that it works around your schedule. In my opinion, while they are very renter friendly, they also understand that the owners are customers too. They want to make sure that your concerns are taken care of. It's comforting to know that you're covered and that they got your back. I've made nothing but money on this thing, so it's a good investment.